was one of several powerful women in Jesus' entourage. She was one of several powerful women in Jesus' entourage. She got conflated with even more Marys in the Gospels. She got conflated with even more Marys in the Gospels. The Gospel of Philip calls her Jesus' companion, not his wife. The Gospel of Philip calls her Jesus' companion, not his wife. The Apocryphal Gospel of Mary says Saint Peter got jealous of her. The Apocryphal Gospel of Mary says Saint Peter got jealous of her. Her name gives us some important details about her, including her fishy past. Her name gives us some important details about her, including her fishy past. The idea of her as a prostitute is just pure sexism. The best evidence we have says she was one of Jesus' BFF and witnessed to the crucifixion. In most of the four canonical Gospels, Matthew, Mark, John, and Luke, Mary Magdalene is one of Jesus' most important disciples. In fact, in John, she is the first to see the door of Jesus' tomb rolled back. When she's crying in front of his tomb, Jesus reveals himself to her first, ahead of any of the apostles. She went to Peter and the rest to spread the good news and share the word. In Luke, a number of women, including Mary Magdalene, heard important words from angels, which they related to the rest. So it's established Mary Magdalene was one of Jesus' most important confidantes after his resurrection. As an editorial in Biblical Archaeology noted, Mary Magdalene was an influential follower of Jesus and a sort of female apostle. But there's no evidence in these texts of her being his wife or anything more than part of his entourage, albeit an important one. For centuries, a skeleton in southern France has been rumored to be hers. Medieval legends tell the tale of Mary Magdalene fleeing Israel after Jesus' death and traveling to what is now France. Dan Brown and the scholars whose theories he co-opted, authors of the pseudo-historical book Holy Blood, Holy Grail, posited that she left with her kid or kids by Jesus and she raised them in France, creating what would become an early French dynasty. Either way, a body reportedly belonging to Mary Magdalene resides at the Church of Saint Maximin in the south of France. Recently, scientists and artists reconstructed the skeleton's face. The woman, whoever she is, has high cheekbones and a round face. Of Mediterranean descent, the lady was around 50 when she died. Future DNA tests could tell us where she came from. Biological anthropologist Philippe Charlier told National Geographic. But it was very important to get it out of anonymity.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.